Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can merge the cells. Let's start. Here we previously we have created this table: first name, last name, full name, full name. This first full name I used. Okay, these both of these columns are showing the same thing. So let's uh, delete this. Okay, we can see first name, last name, full name. Now we can add, we can select these, control C, copy, and for paste we're selecting this here and press control V. So yeah, let's adjust this a little bit. Okay, now we can see first name, last name, full name, age, total marks, all these data of the students. And let's type here student details. Student details. Okay, so just this cell, uh, I wrote this on this cell, but I want to merge this with this one, this one, this one, this one, all these four cells. So I'm selecting this cell and dragging it until end. And then from home menu I am selecting margin center. You can see from here to here, all these five cells become one cell, and the value is appeared at the center. Okay, you can move this value through right, center, left. Okay, like this. So this is how we can merge the cells whenever we need. We can apply some bold, uh, increasing the font size, uh, color as we need. So that's all for today. Thank you.